Each stakeholder will be notified if there will be any change in the main project file. That means if something has been changed, it will be recorded that what has been changed by whom and when. This level is most likely to reduce the errors and saves the time. This collaborative approach requires something, and that is CDE. CDE means Common Data Environment. It is an most important part of a BIM management. CDE combines all the stakeholders of the respected project and serves them the latest error-free information and details in the segregated format. There will be multiple revisions in the drawings due to multiple reasons. But how would a project coordinator or a manager or a design coordinator will know about the latest revision? And how would they know what is the revision about and whom to coordinate it with? Maybe to the architect, to the structural team, site team, landscape architect, MEP experts, or with the client. For how long? Maybe throughout the project? Oh my god, this challenges. But no worries, CDE plays an important role to manage and segregate the data from all the stakeholders. For example, BIM 360 or Procore, where you need to link your intelligent 3D collaborative model, and as per the comments from the stakeholders, it will be notified to the respected team who will be responsible for the development of that part of the building or the project. They will update their part and be free within no time. Hence, the other team members will get a notification about the updation in the drawing or the 3D model of the project.